This plug did seal up perfectly fine when I first got it. It's not doing what it needs to do and it's irritating me, so we got this JDC wiper delete plug. Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. So we have a little project for today. So this little plug here is supposed to seal off water, but every time I go through a car wash, water always gets down in there. So I got a little something from a JDCustoms. It's a billet aluminum cap, so we're gonna try it out. But I'm gonna go through a car wash and show you what I mean. So I have something rigged up here. I have a GoPro and then a light, so we're gonna give that a try. And we got a car wash code. So now we're gonna pop the trunk, see how wet it is. See, it always gets wet. So yeah, it always gets wet like that after I go through like a car wash, like when I'm on a road trip or whatever. But thankfully I got a fix for that. So let's get the car dried off, get home, and get this new part installed, shall we? Alright, so it is a new day from when I filmed the car wash and then with that leaking. I also just wanted to mention that this plug did seal up perfectly fine when I first got it like 5-6 years ago. But just over time, I don't know if that little rubber seal on the bottom isn't sealing right, but it's not doing what it needs to do and it's irritating me. So we got this JDC wiper delete plug. I got the little Evolution Adventure logo scanned into it. Comes with a sticker. And here's what we have. Got it. It was not easy. Nice. I like it. Alright, so we have the JDC Billet windshield wiper delete plug in now. Super happy with it, and if you guys want one, I actually have a code that will save you 10% off any JDC custom parts or titanium. I will leave a little discount code here and in the description. So if you guys want to check it out, you can check it out for yourself. You can get just a plain black one, or it's $10 extra and you can get whatever you want laser etched on it. So